Bagamat nominado, hindi natinag ang nararamdaman ng ating global guwapito.
Ribbon, ow!
Tuloy pa rin ang kanyang pakikipagkilala sa dalagang nakahuli ng kanyang pagtingin. Ngunit muntik itong maglaho dahil sa isang pagkakamali.
Say sorry, okay? She got offended of what you asked. Okay?
Mabuti na lang at siya'y nagpursigi.
I know you've never loved the crinkles by your eyes and your smile you've never loved your stomach or your thighs, the dimples on your back at the bottom of your spine. Oh, I love them and will stay. That's why I never left your side, and that's why I always follow you, because I didn't want to leave you. And you know, I did that because I like you. I liked you more and more every day. And I began to realize that I love you.
Kahit sila'y pansamantalang mahihiwalay, siya ay may pangako.
You can be successful. Trust me. Just believe in yourself.
Ito marahil ang pagsubok sa kanya sa darating na linggo, ang tupdi ng kanyang pangako sa gitna ng pangulilang makapiling ang tinitibok ng kanyang puso.
Honest Bobby, bro. And all your little things, you'll never love yourself half as much as I love you. Huh? You'll never treat yourself right, darling, but I want you to. Good night, Bobby.
Mr. Right. Oh, feeling is in the air. Daddy,